we set up bins in front of our school, and we collected like items such as t-shirts or shorts, just any items, and we put them into a bin and we grabbed them and we took them to this children's network. And it was very humbling, and it was a very, very good experience because I had to learn that I was very fortunate to have what I have and to be able to give back to my community and give back to people in need. We did soap and hygiene drive for PATH. PATH is a local homeless shelter. When I first volunteered at PATH, I was like, wow, this is something new. I'm very grateful, and I've never had to experience what they've had to experience. So it's a very humbling experience.